This video is all about fixing the issue while launching a game on Steam. You got an error game launch, failed with error code 54. In the first step, you need to click on the Steam icon and go to the settings. From the left pin, click on the option download. Now scroll down and you will find the option of clear download cache. You need to click on the option clear cache. Now hit the confirm button, and once you hit the confirm button, your Steam will restart and ask you to relog. So go ahead and relog the Steam. After that, come back to the Steam and hit the play option, and hopefully the error code 54 will be fixed out. If this will work out in next step, you need to update the Steam. First, open your web browser and hear the official website of the Steam. Click on the option Install Steam. This will download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, just run the installer, and this will automatically update the Steam. Once the Steam is updated, relaunch it and hit the play option to fix out the issue. Now, if this also failed and the game is related to Steam Tool, you need to update the Steam Tool also. And to do so, click on Start menu, type in PowerShell, choose the option Run as Administrator. Now right in this PowerShell, you need to paste a script. This script I will provide you in the description of this video and pin comment. After copying the script, paste the script right over here by pressing the Ctrl+V keys and then hit the Enter key. This will start fixing your Steam issues. It will take around 1 minute to completely fix out the issue. And this command, or the PowerShell window, will be automatically closed and then relaunch your Steam. Once this script is completed, I highly recommend to make sure you restart your PC. After you restart your PC only, then relaunch your Steam and then hit the play option. And this will completely fix out the issue of Steam game launch. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.